everybody, welcome back to Shits and Giggles. My name is Brent, and today I'm kicking it with Crypto Kenny. Kenny, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, Brent. How about you?
Awesome, I am doing fantastic. And today we got some questions about money, cryptocurrency. And first I want to ask you, what is currency?
Well, you mean cryptocurrency or our
Traditional currency.
Our traditional currency is an interesting topic. It's a fiat system, right? And what fiat means is simply a Latin term for a currency backed by nothing, or just by the word of some entity, like our government. Before 1971, the dollar was backed by gold, but after that, Nixon changed all that, and then it was backed by just the word of the government.
Okay, so fiat system, money backed by nothing.
That's it.
Okay, so we know that our traditional currency system is failing due to things like inflation and all those factors involved. So what is cryptocurrency?
Well, crypto is, it came out of the great collapse in 2008.
Yes. What's the guy's name? Sashimoto Moto?
The name for Bitcoin, the founders or one guy or a team of people or the CIA, who knows, right, is Satoshi Nakamoto.
That's it, Satoshi Nakamoto.
Yeah. And
Satoshi Nakamoto.
He invented, he wrote a white paper in 2008, I believe, but it came out in 2009 about this crypto virtual currency that can be used as a medium of exchange between you and me without a third party. It didn't rely on a third party. It didn't need that central power to come and take parts of the profits.
It's a decentralized currency system.
Very much so.
Okay.
It works on nodes and they're spread around all the computers all over the world.
Right, so everybody's kind of sharing the load.
That's right.
By being a node.
That's right.
Okay.
And it all reflects on the ledger. So it's transparent.
Okay, and it's kind of secure. You can't really mess with the ledger because of the way that it's encoded or encrypted.
It uses cryptography. And hashing and 256 hash, that sort of stuff, and it's military grade. Quantum computing may be able
to hack it,
to do some damage down the road. Who knows?
All right. Well, we're not there yet.
No.
Okay. So how is cryptocurrency different than how our traditional system, currency system's working, and how is it going to change the world?
Yeah, fair question. You see, the current system, the fiat system, since it's no longer backed by gold, the government and the central banks can just print more of it at will. And like we were saying, that affects the supply and demand of things. So they debase the dollar when they print more, right? So every one of our dollars in our wallets, every time they print trillions more, ours devalues. It's just a simple function of supply and demand.
Right, okay. So that's interesting. Is there anything people need to know about the cryptocurrency and where we are today on how to get some? Like, how do you get some?
Oh, well, it's pretty easy. You could just go on an exchange and get some. They also have ETFs where you can go through your normal broker to get it. It's all, above table and legal now. But the thing is, I always say you should self-custody it because you never know.
So what does that mean?
Self-custodying it is you own it on your own little ledger device or Tangent wallet or
a hardware device.
That's right.
Okay.
And that comes with seed words. Like there's a seed phrase attached to it, and you can never share it, never lose it, or else you lose everything.
Wow.
So there's a lot of responsibility at this.
Yeah.
But in my opinion, once you do all your research, it's worth it to save your future self.
Would you say it's worth it to get invested in like, say, Bitcoin now?
Well, now is a great time, Brent, because it works on the halving cycle works on a 4-year cycle.
Okay.
And we just halved in April.
Okay.
And typically, if you look at the charts, 6 months after the halving is when the parabolic bull run starts.
Right, okay. So we've seen that in the past too. Like there's kind of a trend of that where there's a halving and then there's a bull run Okay, so like it's probably sitting around $80,000 Canadian. So you're expecting it to kind of go woo very soon?
Yeah.
Okay, so now's the time to get in there and get some Bitcoin.
Yeah, well, typically it should start, no financial advice, and I can't predict nothing, but it should typically start in the month of October. And heading into the elections, that's going to be a big one. Now both parties seem to be pro-crypto, which is a good thing. And then there's the rate cutting cycle, because the interest rates they just got cut in half in the US now yesterday, and that's just going to continue, because they're trying to land a soft landing.
Right. And with lower rates too, the more money that are in our pockets, the more money we're going to invest in things like cryptocurrency and stuff like that.
That's right. When they cut rates, everything goes up. Like it's not just crypto, it'll be the stock market, all investments, until it all bursts, somewhere around 2030.
Sweet. Kenny, I want to thank you for being on the show, and we want to have you back, and we'll do some updates in the future. But that was great. And guys, if you aren't subscribed already, you can subscribe to us on Shits and Giggles on YouTube. You can subscribe on Rumble. We're SNG Live on Rumble, and we're also SNG Live on Facebook. So guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll get back to you.
He's good.